Ever wonder if some iPhone gadgets are actually worth it? Today I'm sharing the must-have iPhone accessories that seriously made my life 10 times better. More convenience, faster charging, safer backups, and way more fun. Let's get into it. First up, the TORRAS Austin case for iPhone 16. Pro Max is a total game changer for both protection and functionality. It's built with military-grade shock-proof protection to absorb drops and bumps, all while keeping a translucent slim profile that doesn't add unnecessary bulk. The standout feature is the sturdy built-in kickstand and ring holder, designed for both vertical and horizontal viewing. It's MagSafe compatible too, snapping easily to chargers and accessories without any slip. If you're tired of juggling your phone while watching videos, FaceTiming, or gaming, this case offers durability, versatility, and sleek style, all in one. Next, we have the Baseus 100-watt retractable USB C cable. And trust me, it's a lifesaver for anyone who hates tangled cords. This genius design features a 4-stage preset retractable mechanism, allowing you to set it to different lengths depending on your setup. It supports 100-watt super-fast charging and 5-amp output, making it perfect not just for iPhones, but also MacBooks, iPads, and Samsung devices. Its compact design makes it a dream for traveling, workspaces, and cars. And no more messy cables lying everywhere. If you value clean organization and speed, this is a must-have. If you travel a lot, you're going to love the LISEN Airplane Travel Essentials phone holder. This lightweight MagSafe compatible phone mount clips easily onto airplane tray tables, luggage handles, car dashboards, almost anywhere, turning your iPhone into a hands-free entertainment station. It's built from durable but flexible materials and folds completely flat when not in use, making it perfect for long flights, beach vacations, and cruises. No more awkward arm aches trying to prop your phone against a water bottle or seat. This tiny gadget massively upgrades your travel comfort. Now for storage emergencies. The MAKTAR Qubii Duo USB-C photo storage device is an absolute lifesaver. Simply plug it into your iPhone while charging, and it automatically backs up your photos, videos, and contacts without you lifting a finger. Compatible with iPhones, iPads, and other USB-C devices, it offers a secure, portable solution for keeping your memories safe without relying on cloud subscriptions. The device supports high-capacity storage, and it's plug-and-play easy, with no complicated setup. If you constantly run out of storage or worry about losing photos, Qubii Duo is a must-carry gadget. Finally, for content creators, meet the CP5 Lite 5-inch rear camera selfie monitor, a secret weapon for vlogging, live streaming, and TikTok. This 1080p HD monitor magnetically attaches behind your phone using a non-touch screen, giving you a full view of your rear camera shot while recording yourself. It connects instantly with a 50-meter wireless range and just one-click connection. Built with a premium aluminum alloy frame, it's lightweight but durable, perfect for mobile creators who want perfect framing without guessing. If you're serious about content or just want better selfie videos, this little monitor will totally upgrade your setup. Which gadget would you add to your iPhone setup today? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you're ready to upgrade, I've linked all these amazing accessories down in the description. Hit like, subscribe for more awesome tech finds, and I'll see you in the next video.